Here I have Huawei Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here at this edge of your device. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole on the box on the slot, and the slot will come out. Then you can eject it. Here you can put your memory card, and here your SIM card, and then just like this put it back into your device. As you can see, it immediately requires my PIN code from the SIM card, which is proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter my PIN code. Hey, by going to settings, then to the storage section, we can find that there's a section memory card appeared, which is the proof that memory card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.